Hi, my dear students. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the English class. Dear students, I hope you all are fine and fit and healthy at your home. So, students, today I will read Standard 5 English Grammar, Unit 3. The grammar is adjectives. So, students, I think you all are know about adjectives. So, let's go to the adjective. The students, your chapter name is adjectives, Unit 3. First, we will know about the definition of adjectives. Adjective is a part of speech that shows the quality, quantity, or number of a noun. It's called an adjective. Or if you taken, adjective is a part of speech that shows the quality, quantity, or number of a noun. It's called an adjective. The students, uh, let's example. He is a good student. So the students good is a adjective. Ramu is a gentleman. So students gentleman. Gentle is an adjective. Is an adjective. Hari gave me 10 rupees. That means 10 is an adjective of quantity. So students look at your books. Some sentence given here. Onyuna is a sweet girl. She has big black eyes and long hair. Everyone likes her soft voice and good behavior. She is a caring friend to a. Her mother says that Onyana is the best daughter in the world. Students, this sentence and the red words refers to adjectives. Sweet, big black, long, soft, good, caring, vast. These red words are refers to an adjectives. So students, this is your English grammar books, page number 26. Some examples here. Adjectives are words providing additional information on nouns or pronouns. They usually come before the noun or pronoun described, but this is not mandatory. You have to remember only one point, that the function of an adjective is to describe a noun or a pronoun, whether it is placed before the noun or at another place in the sentence. Some examples. China has the largest population in the world. The students, largest is an adjective. I like food that is spicy. Spicy. The girl had beautiful big blue eyes. In the sentence 2, spicy described food in spite of not being placed before food. This is called predicative use of adjectives. So students, there are types of adjectives. First, adjective of quantity. Adjectives which show the quantity of nouns or pronouns are called adjectives of quantity. Examples: there was enough food for us in the camp. The students, enough is an adjective of quantity. Is there much traffic on the roads today? The students, much is an adjective of quantity. Some, like, little, some, all, these are the adjective of quantities. Then adjective of qualities. Adjectives describing the shape, size, color, quality of nouns or pronouns are called adjective of quality. Some examples: it was a magnificent performance. The students, magnificent. Geet, it's so me that she's always dropping things here and there. Father gifted me a gigantic teddy bear on my birthday. Grandpa is carrying a heavy suitcase. People say that Mrs. Buffet lives in a spooky house. Ruhana purchased bright lights for decorating the house on New Year's Eve. Then students, proper adjectives. What is proper adjectives? Adjectives that are derived from proper nouns are called proper adjectives. The students, here are some examples. First, Swiss knife, Indian tradition, Italian dessert, Chinese food, Japanese art, German shepherd. Students, these are the proper nouns. These are refers to a name. So, these are the proper adjectives. Next page number 28. Then interrogative adjectives. Students, what is an interrogative adjectives? An adjectives that pose a question are called interrogative adjectives. Which painting is not yours? Which is an adjective. Whose? Whose? What? Whose papers are these? Whose nails are dirty? What things have you brought? Have you bought from the market? These WH words refers to an adjective. Then demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjectives point out nouns and tell whether they are located near to or far from the speaker. Some examples here, students. I used to play in this playground. This, that, these, those. These are the demonstratives. This shows nearness, that express distance. This is the plural of this, those is the plural of that. Then distributive adjectives. Distributive adjectives shows that the objects named are to be taken separately. Examples: each student will use his or her own colors. Students is in uh, distributive adjectives. I visit Auntie Rosie every few days. Every, neither, either. These are the distributive adjectives. Then adjectives of numbers. Adjectives of numbers denote the number of nouns. They are further divided into two parts: definite, indefinite. Definite clearly defined, indefinite undetermined or unknown. A definite adjective of number marks the exact number of a noun. Adjectives of number that show many things are called cardinals. Example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. And those that show the order of things are called ordinals. Examples: first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Examples: Kaveri has two sisters. Students, 2 is a cardinal numbers. So Nana stood first in the class. First is the ordinal numbers. So these are the adjectives of numbers. Indefinite number adjectives do not give an exact idea of the number. I have got several ideas for the school function. We disagree on many issues. Juhi needs a few cherries for the cake. The students, these are the indefinite numerical adjectives. The students, these are the basics of adjectives. Then exercise. On next class, we will do the exercise. So thank you. Stay safe, stay home. Have a nice day for you. Bye, my dear students.